MetaTrader 4 indicators Zeus Arrow SNR, ZERDFX meter, multi-trend signal, profitable strategy 9, slidings channel, stochastic oscillator bar, symbol and changer V5 trading emperor alerts WT reloja VLAN trading. Weight SR redondos. Trading rules system trading NIT M1, M5 V2 it is a model that, since I have used it in my operations and so far I have obtained good results, nothing is modified or copied by another person, it is clearly real. Operating there are two ways to do this and both ways I'll teach you results. There are two types of arrows in the model, trading emperor underscore alerts. Candles, 1M deadline, 5 minutes M trading. Candles, 5M deadline. 5 minutes or more the trades are executed in favor of the trend and that is in apposition of support and resistance, taking into account the other indicators which helps us to further confirm our notice, for example, ZERD meter, multi-trend signal. It is my way of operating and I have had good results. I share because I think that together we can help each other and maybe I've someone find another way to improve our results would be good interact. Confirm first in the demo until you find the best percent of profits and you can see if you like and adapt. Our 2-arrow binary system is a non-repaint arrows binary trading system that gives easy to use buy/sell signals. This setup will suit scalpers and binary traders. It works based on the extremely fast momentum of the price. For scalping, it works great on M1 or M5 timeframes. But you can use it on any. If used for binary options, the expiration time should be 3 times the trading chart frame. Our 2-arrow indicator system can be used on any Forex currency pair and other assets such as stocks, commodities, cryptos, precious metals, oil, gas, etc. You can also use it on any time frame that suits you best, from the 1 minutes through to the day charts. It works best on M1 or M5 timeframes. 2-arrow binary system can give you trading signals you can take as they are or add your additional chart analysis to filter the signals further, which is recommended. While traders of all experience levels can use this system, it can be beneficial to practice trading on an MT4 demo account until you become consistent and confident enough to go live. What is scalping in Forex? Scalping is a method of trading Forex based on real-time technical analysis. When it comes to Forex, a scalping trading system requires making a large number of trades that each target small profits. Rather than holding a position for several hours, days or weeks, the goal of scalping Forex is to make a profit in minutes, or even seconds, just a few pips at a time. The FX market is the largest, most liquid and one of the most volatile financial markets in the world. Forex scalpers try to squeeze every possible opportunity out of these fluctuations in foreign exchange quotes, by opening and closing trades with just a few pips of profit. So, scalping in the Forex market is essentially taking advantage of minor changes in price over a short period of time. Forex scalping is quite a popular style for many traders, as, thanks to the volatility of the FX market, there are usually ample trading opportunities throughout the course of the day. During the scalping process, a trader usually does not expect to gain more than 10 pips or to lose more than 7 pips per trade, including the spread. Therefore, in order for those 10 pip gains to add up to a substantial profit, scalping is usually performed with high volumes. The current price is most likely moving inside of the red-green bands. When the price is getting near the edge of the upper or lower band, that's where you need to keep your eyes peeled for a trade opportunity. For scalping, it works great on M1 or M5 timeframes, but you can use it on any. We also recommend keeping a look for support and resistance when entering trades. Buy signal or call price touches the lower band. Green are 2-arrow buy for entry. Sell signal or put price touches the upper band. Red are 2-arrow sell for entry. If our 2-arrow is used for binary options 15-minute chart for 45-minute expiration 30-minute chart for 90-minute expiration 1-hour chart for 3-hour expiration 4-hour chart for 12-hour expiration daily time frame expires time 3 days. Deciding whether scalping Forex is a suitable trading style for you will largely depend on how much time you are willing to dedicate to trading. Forex scalping requires constant analysis and the placement of multiple orders a day, which can end up being as demanding as a full-time job. Furthermore, there are only a few hours a day when you can scalp currency pairs. After time availability, the next most important thing is being able to think on your feet. For a Forex scalping strategy to be profitable, you must quickly predict where the market will go, and then open and close positions within a matter of seconds. Furthermore, traders interested in implementing Forex scalping strategies must be able to accept losses. This is particularly important when trading with leverage, which, as well as potentially amplifying profits, can have the same effect on losses. Whilst your main task is to generate more profitable positions than losing ones, you must also know how to exit trades when they are not working out. You should keep in mind that Forex scalping is not a trading style that is suitable for everybody. Some traders will thrive with it, but others perform much better over longer time periods, such as swing traders. If you think scalping Forex is right for you, keep reading to learn about Forex scalping strategies and techniques. Tips for how to scalp Forex. Now that you have an understanding of the fundamental aspects of scalping, let's take a closer look at how to scalp Forex. The best time frame for scalping Forex in general. Most traders scalp currency pairs using a time frame between 1 and 15 minutes. Whilst there is not really a best time frame for scalping,